In case you missed it, here's what happened on day 10 of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. On July 29, the prosecution presented its first witness on the first impeachment article on the alleged misuse of confidential funds. Former Land Bank Department Manager Violeta Constantino of the Shaw Branch testified about overseeing the 4 checks encashed by the Office of the Vice President amounting to 125 million pesos each.
Yung 4 na cheque po ito ay nakapangalan po kay Miss Gina F. Acosta na may amount pong 125 million each. After po ma-receive sa cheque po, yung payment received, nire-release na po ni teller yung cash kay Miss Gina in packs po siya worth 1 million each po. Bali, nilalagay na po nila yon sa dala po nilang bags. Sa pagkaalala ko po, isang mahabang malaking bag po siya. Para pong gym bag. Sa pagkaalala ko po, mga 3 to 4 bags po yun.
The senator judges asked Constantino about the OVP's withdrawal. This was what Constantino said about the transaction.
Wala po, unusual po ito.
Ano pong standard operating procedure pag may mga malalaking withdrawal? Or exempted pag mga government agency, lalo po't mga matataas na ahensya ng pamahalaan?
Wala na pong exemption. Kaya lang po itong sa particular na transaction po ng OVP, bali meron naman po kasi silang forward advice po sa branch.
Nakakita na po ba kayo ng ganyang kalaking amount na withdrawal ever before?
First time po.
First time. Sinigurado niyo po ba na otorisado talaga ni Vice President yung pag-withdraw ng kalahating bilyong piso?
Meron naman po kasi silang inisyong advice. So, binase naman po natin yung checking na inisyo kay Miss Gina Costa na ito po ay may advice na po.
Another ex-Land Bank manager, Nenita Camposano, who handled the DepEd account, took the stand as the second witness. Camposano testified on the 3 checks that contained 37.5 million pesos each.
Ang amount po kasi nung check is 37.5. So, nasa ganoon din halos yung amount nung ire-request po ng kahera sa cash center namin. Tapos na po yung proseso namin ng pag-validate ng check at pag-approve. Tatawagin na po namin si Mr. Fajarda sa backroom. So, doon po i-release na po yung cash withdrawal, yung cash encashment. Ilalagay na po yun ni Mr. Fajarda sa dala niyang bag, and then lalabas na po sila dun sa may fire exit sa may back door po namin.
Camposano also stated that it was unusual for DepEd to withdraw that kind of amount.
For government agencies, unusual po ang amount ng pag-withdraw. Para ngayon lang po yung time na may encashment na ganun kalaki.
Camposano added that there were no documents designating Edward Fajarda as DepEd's designated special disbursing officer.
Wala po.
Wala?
Wala po.
Wala?
Wala.
Laway lang?
Nagpunta po dun si Mr. Fajarda na siya yung payee at nag-present po siya ng identification.
Of course, pero dapat meron siyang dokumento pinipresent na siya ang dinedesignate ng head ng agency na yon bilang SDO, right?
Wala po silang na-present
Wala.
sa amin.